So we're camping out here at Big Bend for the weekend. Actually, we'll be here for 4 days. Got an awesome view all the way around us. Wanted to show my Dakota lithium setup. So solar panels in this situation when you're out in the middle of nowhere and you're here for multiple days is great. So my 100 watt amp hour Dakota lithium battery will last for about 2.5 days with just the fridge, but I plan on having fans and everything out here. So I have the solar panels hooked up. They come over here in the truck. They go into my PowerStation that I built. Excuse the mess inside of it. This thing gets the job done. So I added a solar controller here. I have an inverter over here, but the heart of that beast is right there. This thing will run without solar my fridge, this Iceco fridge, for almost 3 days. So since we're going to be camping out here, I'm going to be using a fan, charging up the GoPro, and some of the other guys that are going to be here a little later, they might need to charge their equipment. It's a great product. I could have just bought a PowerStation, yes, but it wouldn't have been as fun that I got to build it myself and add all the features that I wanted. So just wanted to show you guys that. That's it.